Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is second part of Jammu and Kashmir static case questions. First one, literacy rate of Jammu and Kashmir in 2024. In Jammu and Kashmir was 67.70% in 2011 with 75% of male and 43% of female literate. And second question, sex ratio of Jammu and Kashmir. Sex ratio of Jammu and Kashmir is 954 women per 1000 males. Third one, number of districts in Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir have 20 districts. The fourth one, official language of Jammu and Kashmir is. The official language of Jammu and Kashmir is Kashmiri, Dogri, Urdu, Hindi and English. Questions, in which year Jammu and Kashmir High Court established? Kashmir and Ladakh High Court was established on 26 March 1928. High Court is used in Jammu and Kashmir. The right answer, Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh High Court. How many legislative assemblies sit in Jammu and Kashmir? The answer is 119. Legislative Assembly of Jammu and Kashmir is Unicameral. How many Rajya Sabha members in Jammu and Kashmir Union Territory? Union Territory elects 4 members for a term of 6 years and are indirectly elected by the members of the Jammu and Kashmir. How many Lok Sabha members in Jammu and Kashmir Union Territory? And the answer is the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir elects 5 Lok Sabha members. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe my YouTube channel, and first part of Jammu and Kashmir related videos already uploaded in my YouTube channel. After watching these videos, I will provide you link on description and comment column and the links, and watch this video. Thank you everyone.